morning, everybody. As Valentine is approaching us, I'd like to make a little Valentine treat so you can give to your sweetie or your loved ones, or kids can take to school. All you need is some Oreo cookies. This is the winter mix. They got the red centers. Some have different flavors. This just happens to be the red, which that's what I wanted. And you need some sugar eyes, little eyeballs. And you need some Valentine sprinkles of your choice. And you need some red candy melts. Now, this is my candy melt machine right here. It's called the chocolate maker. And it melts and warms. Or you can use a double boiler, or you can use your microwave, or you can use a pot with with hot water in a pan, and you just set the pot on top, and it will steam and it will melt the chocolate. And these are called Love Bug Oreos, and they are the cutest things you ever did see. So I want to show you how we make them. You take one of your Oreos and you dip it in, and you want to get it 3/4 to half dipped. I'm only making a few. I have my son coming today, and he's going to have this for dessert. Should open the cup first. And then what you want to do is you want to sprinkle a few of these right on them, just like this. Just like that. See that? Then you want to take, I'm going to set that there. Then you want to take 2 eyes. These little bitty Google eyes right there. And I bought these at the Dollar Tree. They're a bunch of little paintbrushes. I think you get 10. And you want to take your paintbrush and you want to dip it in. It's a little like this. Then you want to take your eyeball and you want to put it on the back. And then you want to set it on. And you want to paint it on the back. Then you want to set it on. Now I'm going to show you. How cute is this? You could bundle them in a package, give them out for Valentine's gifts, whatever you want. So let's make another one. You want to go like this. Do you want to get half to 3/4 in melted? Just like that. Oh. And then you want to take your sprinkles, and you just want to sprinkle a few on just like this. It's easier to set it down when you're working with the Google eyes. Then you want to take your brush, put a little dab of Dewey on it, stick it right there, wherever you want, just stick it. Then you take your other one, just like that. And stick it right on. How cute is that? So there you have it, folks. You have the Love Bug Oreos, Valentine Oreos. So I'll be trying to do a few more things for Valentine's Day. If you like this, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget, we got a lot of things going on here at MAINEiac Grammys. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.